Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Tuesday the 24th of October. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the silver price, which in TradingView has the code XAGUSD. What we'll see is that we expect the range trading to continue. However, in the short term, the 20-day moving average has critical support. If that doesn't hold, the other moving averages are above the silver spot and will give downside pressure. Let's look at those charts. So here we are on the weekly, and so each candle represents 1 week, and you can see that the silver price is in a trading range, and really we expect that trading range to continue, with the upper boundary being 18 and the lower boundary being about 16. You can see it moving around there. On here you can see that perhaps the medium term trend is for some downside, as all the moving averages are moving downwards. The last cross was between the 50 and the 200, and that was a bearish cross as the 50 crossed the 200. At the moment we're virtually on the 50-week moving average, with the 20-week giving support and the 200-week giving immediate resistance. The 20-week is at 16.8 support. On momentum, you can see that it hasn't really got any momentum in either direction. The RSI is virtually bang on 50, 49.85, and the MACD are flatlining and at 0. On the daily, again you can see the range trading picture. You can see that the 20-day moving average is moving back up and is giving support. Gave support yesterday and is a critical support level. A couple of days close below the that 20-day, which is at 16.96, would be critical and would be a herald of some downside pressure. Again, momentum, not much momentum in either direction. It's presently 49.69, and likewise the MACD again flatlining at the 0. On the upside, you can see that the 50 and the 200, they did actually create a golden cross on the 13th of October. So they are still moving up, still in a positive formation. If we can get back above the 50, 17.23, then we could see the resistance at 17.45 tested, and then a move above 17.5. On the 4-hour, here we are below all the moving averages, which is slightly a concern. Here the 50 and the 200 are moving down, giving resistance, and you could see that yesterday the 50 gave the resistance which halted the rally. Above there is the 200, which came in last week on the 20th as the resistance point. So some key resistances, but really it's a picture which is moving to the downside now that we're back below the 20. That 20 will roll over very quickly. Again, there's not much momentum in either direction. It's at 49.55, and again the MACD giving us no indication of momentum as they are 0. Just looking at the support and resistance levels. So we've got resistance at the 200-day, 17.2, with second resistance from the high 16th October, 17.468, with the first support at 16.957 from the 20-day. That is critical. And the second support was yesterday's low, 16.865. So that's been TA for Traders looking at silver. Just to clarify the main points, range trading is to continue. I do see potential immediate pressure to the downside if we stay below the 20 on the 4-hour. There's a loss of upside momentum, but all the momentum indicators were neutral. Some of the moving average are giving downside pressure. and that 20-day moving average support is seen as critical. Many thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it of interest. Please remember, these videos are for information only and are not an investment recommendation.